welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. It is currently 4:30 in the evening. I haven't vlogged anything today, but we're gonna do something very Christmassy today. We are gonna be baking and we're gonna be following TikTok viral recipes. Don't think this is gonna go well. I already tried to bake in another Vlogmas episode and it didn't go to plan. I think I have all the ingredients and these recipes actually look really quick and easy to do. So I'm gonna try my best and that's all we can do. Okay, we've already encountered some slight problems. I'm doing a recipe where I do gingerbread shaped pastries filled with Nutella. And I was like, I've already got Nutella. It's not been open, so that's great. But I looked at the date. This is 4 months out of date. Can I use this? I'm not gonna get food poisoning from chocolate spread, am I? If it doesn't smell or taste rancid, it's fine. That smells like Nutella to me. Anyway, the first recipe we're gonna try and do is this one. It's like puff pastry with Nutella in the middle and then you cut gingerbread shapes into it. This looks so quick and easy, so I'm gonna try my best. You get the pastry. That's an interesting smell. Also, look at this. This is the pastry. I just need to put Nutella on half of it, I think. Here's what it looks like so far. Then you fold the pastry in half. Okay, now I get my little gingerbread cookie cutters. These were just from Amazon. This is the size we're going for. This is going suspiciously well. I'll make a tiny one for this one. How is this going so well? And then what do you do with the rest of it? I'm guessing you just don't use this bit. Seems like a waste though. What do I do with it? I'll just put it to the side for now.
Fill the edges with a fork and break the tops, then brush them with egg wash and give...
Okay, seems a bit pointless, but we'll see. So you want to get a fork and like go around the edges. Now we need to get an egg. Sugar? I don't have sugar. I've got caster sugar. Is that the same thing? Oh, I nearly dropped all the eggs. No shells. I haven't even preheated the oven. She didn't say what oven temperature to put it on. Bake until golden brown. Well, how long's that? 7 minutes and put it on 180, which is what I just put it on. That's crazy. I'm so good at this. Okay, she says to brush it with the egg whatever, but I don't have one of those brushing things. She uses like an actual brush. Just drizzle that on them, I'm guessing. Now we have to put sugar on them. And now they're ready to put in, apparently. Okay, it's been 7 minutes and I haven't looked at them yet, but apparently they should be done, so let's take a look. I'm actually scared because I really want these to turn out good. Okay, they look alright, but they're definitely not done. I don't know why they said 7 minutes. Oh, it says bake for 15 to 20 minutes. I don't know what people on TikTok were talking about. Okay, I'm back to check on them again. Oh my, yeah, they're done, I think. Look! I'm really proud of that. They look really good. Ah! Okay, well here they are. I'm really proud of myself. Here he is. They are so nice. I'd so recommend that. You can just follow the steps that I did. As you saw, it was like 3 steps or something. It was so quick and easy. So for someone like me that doesn't like cooking, I don't like baking, I don't have experience, that was so easy. Okay, so this second one is actually quite a lot different. It's a bigger challenge. I think it's going to be a lot harder to make than those. But this is Christmas tree pizza pastries. So she basically gets pastry again, puts cheese and ham in it and then makes it into a Christmas tree shape, puts a skewer in it. Is that it? You literally just put them in the oven? Oh no, you have to get eggs again. Well, I've still got those eggs already left over, so this should be quite easy. Does she not even put tomato puree in it? I bought tomato puree for this. I don't know why I thought I needed that. Anyway, I did buy mozzarella slices because I thought that would be nicer in it. You just lay out the cheese. So I'm only putting the cheese on half. Why is this turned into like a tutorial? And now I'm gonna take the ham and put that on top. and then I'm gonna fold it in half and then cut it into thin slices. Now is the hard part. She rolls them up into Christmas tree shapes and put the skewers on. Don't really know how to go about this. Okay, I mean, it's not exactly like she did it in the video. This bit is quite difficult. Look at my sad little Christmas tree. Okay, here's my first one. Okay, the second one's better, but it still does not look like a Christmas tree. They look alright, but what were you expecting from me? Obviously they're not gonna look like the video, but now I think I need to brush the egg on them. In the video, she uses like some sort of herbs and mixes it in with the egg. I don't have any herbs apart from garlic granules, so just to give them a bit more flavour, I am gonna add, hopefully, a tiny bit of this. Did you hear that? I think that was my corkscrew popping off. What it was, the corkscrew off the wine just popped off again. You heard it. I don't know why it keeps doing that, but that happened in yesterday's vlog. Anyway. Okay, and I think that's it, and then I just put them in the oven again. In they go. Wish them luck. Quick little parcel break while we wait for that. This looks as I know what it is. I was gonna say it looks suspicious, but this is something that I ordered from Depop, which I'm so excited about. This is my new obsession. If you know me, once I get obsessed with something, I will buy everything. Like, I will be collecting these. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's even better than I imagined. Look at it. It's a s'mores bum bum. They're called bum bums. They're cuddly toys, obviously. It's a s'mores one. How cute is he? I've got a little pancake one as well, but it's like a mini one. So this is the second one of my collection, but this is a bigger one. Oh, I love it. They sell them in Tesco and stuff. I don't know where else you can buy them, but anyway, I'm so happy about that. Oh, okay, they're looking all right, but I do need to cook them more. They don't look like what they did in the video. Right, let's have a look at them now. Oh God, maybe I should have already taken them out. The cheese is the problem. Too much mozzarella. Okay, well this is what they look like. They don't look bad. There's just a lot of cheese going on. Okay, I'm gonna try one now. They look all right. It's all right. It's just very bland. I know she put like herbs in hers from the video we were watching, but there's just a lot of pastry, a lot of cheese, but it also doesn't taste of much. It is nice though, but it's not amazing. And the final thing we're gonna be doing today isn't really baking, it's not really cooking. It's just this trend that I've seen on TikTok at the moment where you pour boiling water on a chocolate bar and then it just melts the chocolate so easily so you can make chocolate coated strawberries. We're gonna boil some water and do that. So you literally get your chocolate bar, put it in the bowl and pour the boiling water on it. Who knew it could be so easy? Prepare to be amazed. The chocolate has to just melt. I'm just pouring water in it. Oh my gosh, that's boiling. I don't know what I was expecting. Why do I keep sticking my finger in it? Oh yeah, that's great. And then you just cut the corner of the chocolate packet. You get your strawberries. Look, I've got them on a little strawberry plate. And then you just pour it on. Look at them. I mean, it looks really, really messy and not that appealing, but I know this is gonna be so nice. And there you have it, chocolate coated strawberries. That was so easy. Taste test. Bon appetit. That is so nice. I have got it all over my face. Let me know if you try out these recipes as well, but this was actually a success. Wow, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's Vlogmas episode. This was actually really fun. Make sure you like the video and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow at 5 PM for another episode of Vlogmas. Bye guys!
Christmas, it's the best time of